All right, this is the all-new iPhone Air. It is the world's thinnest iPhone, and this is incredibly light. Like, I'm just holding it in my hand right now, and I cannot believe how thin it is and how light. This is the iPhone at 16, so if I just put them side by side, you can see the insane difference. It does have a little bit of a bump right here where the camera protrudes. The speaker, the camera is all right here. The selfie camera is also here as well. So if I go ahead and tap camera, I can go into selfie mode, and I can actually rotate. Look at that. So now we have a horizontal image, we have a vertical image. I can expand it even further, horizontal even further. So there's a square sensor here for the selfie camera, 18 megapixels. The front camera as well, we have a 1x and a 2x. This thing is so light. I cannot believe, like, holding it right now, I feel like I'm going to break this. But there was a battery pack that also goes on it where you can get up to 40 hours of battery life. And this is actually eSIM around the entire world. So no matter where you buy it, there's not going to be a SIM card slot because they want to save as much space as possible. It is the most efficient iPhone ever created. Wow, the ProMotion display is beautiful and stunning. It has the dynamic island on the top, the flash right here, a USB-C port on the bottom. It's so small, I'm almost losing focus on this. We have the power button right here. It even has camera control. So just like the other iPhones, we've got camera control right here on the top, and the volume buttons. So we can press the power button right here. We've got the volume buttons right here. We've got the action button here as well. I don't know what it's programmed to, but this thing is so light. It's got the new N1 and the C1X chips inside. Wow, I cannot, I don't think you can understand like how light this feels, me just holding it in my hands. It feels like air. It feels like a piece of paper. I think having a device that almost disappears in your pocket is going to be absolutely amazing. And look at the ProMotion display right there, the refresh rates as I swipe back and forth. Pairing this with an AirPods for working out, being able to put this in your pocket, get videos. Like, let's see, if I go to camera and I tap video, I want to get a selfie video. I can go horizontal selfie video in this form factor. Look at that. Now I want a vertical video, we got vertical video. This is all shot on iPhone 16 Pro Max. We can change all the settings. Go ahead and get 4K, 60. We're shooting vertical video right here. That's crazy. I'm so excited to test this out. Make sure to like and subscribe. Turn on notifications if you want to see future videos. Comment down below what questions you have about the iPhone Air, because this is a device I definitely want to test. Like, I cannot believe how thin it is and what this absolutely feels like. Thank you.